I'm shall we say, an instrument in helping them get the best care they can have at St. Paul's. It's a very humbling experience.
He's a great ambassador to VCC's practical nursing program within the School of Health Sciences.
I was an immigrant when I came here in '05, and VCC has taught me a different perspective. It has molded me into somebody who cares, somebody who knows what to do and keep people safe.
Ernesto graduated from our program back in 2006 and since has been working on a medical surgical floor at St. Paul's Hospital. His instructors would describe him as being very academically strong, with excellent bedside manner and a great support to his peers.
I care for the society here in Canada. What I actually would like is to provide the best care for each and every patient I have, keep them safe, be part of the health team, doctor, nurse, and in all the ancillary services. So I'm just there, just an instrument to lessen the pain for them.
Ernesto has provided one-to-one clinical support for our students in order for them to help build their confidence and their competence and their clinical skills so that they feel comfortable when entering into the healthcare field. Ernesto has provided great mentorship with support and guidance.
I was trained hard here at VCC, but I've always maintained, even to my preceptor students, you train hard, you work easy. It should never be the other way around. And I'm pretty sure with all confidence and humility, they can vouch for the care and the amount of sacrifice I've given them. So my way of giving community service is the training of these new graduates to have the confidence and the safety that they would need as they practice their career.